Good morning everyone, this is Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you my way of making a simple crab curry. So very nominal and very easy ingredients. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. I add a little vinegar in my crab curry. So do keep watching and I'll take you through the ingredients. So you'd need about 2 kilos of crabs. Then you must chop 2 tomatoes, 2 large onions and 2 green chilies. Then we would need 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each of red chili powder, cumin and coriander powder. Then half a teaspoon of turmeric, and of course salt to taste. So now what we do, heat about 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. And when it's hot, you add in your sliced onions. So you can see that my onions are not sliced very finely, just rough chop. Then you also add in your green chilies. Now green chilies is just to give it a little bite. So now you fry the onions till light brown. Keep frying, and then you add in your tomatoes, your chopped tomatoes. Now even my tomatoes, I haven't chopped them very finely. It's just a rough chop. So you keep frying till the tomatoes turn soft. Okay, this may take around 5 to 6 minutes. So fry well till the tomatoes turn soft. You could smash them a little if you like, so that they caramelize faster. Now what you do is you add in your ginger garlic paste and fry for a few minutes. So fry this well. Maybe like a couple of minutes. Then you add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, because we want it to be a little thick gravy, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and now fry it all well together. Fry well till the raw smell goes. Now to loosen it a little, you could add a little water and keep frying and mixing till the oil leaves the sides. So keep on frying. You can see that the masala is nice and thick. Now you could add in 2 teaspoons of vinegar, just to give it a little sourness. Okay, and then add in your salt to taste. Add in your salt. Now again fry for a while. Keep mixing so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. And now what you could do is add 2 cups of water and bring it to boil. So when it's nicely bubbling, it's 2 cups of water. So boil it well till it comes to a rolling boil. Once it, you could see it boiling well, you could add in your crabs. Add in your crabs. I didn't remove the claws separately, so you could see that some of the body has the claws attached. Just the front ones were removed. Okay, now shake the pot so that the crabs are coated with the gravy that's in the pot. And you could also try and mix. It's very difficult because the claws are everywhere, but you could do it. Now we close and cover and cook for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, once again open and give the crabs a turn over, spooning the gravy over them. You can see that the crabs are now getting cooked. And cover again. After like around 7 minutes, you can see that the crabs are nicely cooking with the masala. Once again, turn the crabs over. This would be like around 8 minutes. And of course, spoon the gravy over. And you could check to see whether it's cooked. Yes, it is. So now it's time to cover and let the curry rest for some time. You can switch off the heat. And there you go. The crab curry is ready. You could have it with plain rice. Not too spicy and not too pungent. So our crab curry is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Maya, who helped me today in making this crab curry. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.